AI is no longer just a tool, it's a gateway to income. In this video, we'll reveal 15 of the best side hustles powered by AI that anyone can start in 2025, with little or no upfront investment. Whether you want to earn on the side or build your future business, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blog posts, emails, or social media content for clients, fast and at scale. Generate AI art using tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, then sell them on t-shirts, mugs, and posters via print-on-demand platforms. Create automated YouTube videos using AI for scripting, voiceover, and editing, perfect for niche channels with zero on-camera presence. Use AI to generate tailored resumes and cover letters for job seekers. Charge per document or offer packages. Package your knowledge into an online course with AI helping you write scripts, create slides, and even voice over the lectures. Use AI tools to schedule, generate captions, and design social media posts for clients or your own brand. Build a niche blog and let AI write SEO-optimized content. Monetize with ads, affiliates, or digital products. Build websites using no-code tools powered by AI, like Wix AI or Durable, and sell them to small businesses. Sell professional voiceovers using AI-generated voices, perfect for ads, YouTube videos, or audiobooks. Summarize trending books with AI and post them as YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or blog posts. Monetize via affiliate links. Offer homework help using AI to explain math, science, or coding. Parents and students are willing to pay for fast, smart support. Create AI customer service bots using platforms like Tidio or ManyChat. Then charge monthly maintenance fees to clients. Use AI to generate crosswords, trivia, or brain games, and sell printable packs on Etsy or Amazon KDP. Use AI to write product reviews, generate email campaigns, and build funnels. Then promote affiliate products for passive income. Use AI to research trends, competitors, and niches. Then sell reports to startups or online sellers. These 15 AI side hustles aren't just trends. They're opportunities waiting for action. Whether you want extra income or full independence, AI is the shortcut. Which hustle will you start with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money ideas.